The historical landmark of the city of Floresta in Pernambuco was built in 1912 by the first bishop of the city, Dom Augusto Álvaro da Silva. Later, it was renovated, and in 1928, the installation of the 3rd Batalhão of the Public Force was completed. With the objective of combating the cangaço. It went through the 1930 revolution, where there were many exchanges of fire and the death of a colonel and a lieutenant. In 1950, it started being called Pensionato da Divina Esperança, which also became a family boarding school for low-income students from Zona Rural. Today, Uhed is in a state of disrepair, but with many requests for renovation to further enhance this heritage of the Floresta.